Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best electric air duster, so stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features: powerful and adjustable airflow. The Meco Eleverde electric air duster boasts a 250-watt and 550-watt power setting, delivering strong air pressure up to 35 meters per second. This allows efficient cleaning for various devices, from keyboards to larger electronics, ensuring optimal performance. Multiple nozzle attachments. Equipped with 8 nozzle accessories, this air duster caters to various cleaning needs. Whether precision for tight corners or wider airflow for larger areas, the different nozzles enhance its effectiveness, making cleaning tasks more manageable. Eco-friendly and cost-effective. By eliminating the need for disposable compressed air cans, the Meco Eleverde offers an environmentally friendly solution. It is reusable, saving money in the long run as you don't need to continuously buy new cans, promoting sustainability. Ergonomic and convenient design. The lightweight design and long 10-foot cord make it comfortable to handle and easy to maneuver around various cleaning areas. Its momentary switch ensures simple operation, allowing users to maintain power with just a quick press. Versatile cleaning tool. This electric air duster can be used for a range of tasks, including cleaning computers, keyboards, TVs, and even inflatable products. Its versatility makes it a great tool for both home and office environments, as well as outdoor activities like cleaning inflatable kayaks. Pros: adjustable power settings for customized airflow, multiple nozzle attachments for versatile cleaning, eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to canned air, ergonomic design for comfortable use, suitable for various cleaning tasks and environments. Cons: requires access to a power outlet due to corded design, may be less portable compared to battery-operated models. Final thoughts. The Meco Eleverde electric air duster stands out as a powerful, eco-friendly, and versatile cleaning tool. Its adjustable airflow, multiple nozzle attachments, and ergonomic design make it an excellent choice for maintaining cleanliness in various devices and environments. Looking for an efficient and sustainable cleaning solution? The Meco Eleverde electric air duster is here to meet your needs. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Back Tech Product for more insightful reviews.